Hello everyone, in today's video, I will be talking about a way to simply delete ride history from Rapido. So, the short answer is that currently it lacks a feature for the user to delete ride history. But if you're lucky, there are some methods that can help you delete your ride history. The first is to accessing Rapido customer support by the customer helpline, and open to do that you can open the Rapido app on your mobile, go to help and support option as you can do on every app, so it's very common. Choose the correct category related to ride history or privacy, and then tap on the option for contacting customer support. Write a request, basically amplifying your problem and why you need to this and that. Just simply write the problem or issue or you're facing, why you need to delete the history, etc, etc. Then send the request and wait for feedback from the support team. So the second way is to simply delete your Rapido account and then make a new account from a new Gmail. And to do that, you will simply open the Rapido hub, then log in, help and support menu, and account and privacy, and locate the delete account or request deletion of account button, and then simply submit a report again. And the third way is to simply clear the app data or cache, and you can do that on the iPhone from searching for the app. I will search for this app, and from here you can simply or you can do what you want to say is hold it down, and then you can simply what you want to say clear the cache data. So yeah, the short answer is that you cannot delete it because it lacks an feature of deletion of ride history. But on the other hand, these are some methods, and if you're lucky, you can get through with your problem and find a solution with them. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.